tip for when you're sewing your strips together for a Lone Star. Now, 90% of the time when you're sewing strips on for a quilt, you want to set your machine up with a 2.5 stitch length, use 100% cotton 50 weight thread in a matching or neutral color, and you're going to press your seams to the dark side. So in this case, I'd be pressing it to the green. This is the difference with the Lone Star, because we want to press our seams open, which will make more sense when I get you into the steps for the process. You want to use a neutral color thread. So with this palette, I'm using a tan thread for a neutral color, 50 weight, 100% cotton. My stitch length is set at 2.0, smaller stitch length, so that I can press my seams open and not see that thread. Thanks for watching our video. If you like that one, be sure you subscribe to our channel. We wouldn't want you to miss a single video. And leave a comment. We would really like to hear from you.